bar, rednecking the ground, so keep it up, you're gonna get it. And every single Tuesday we were right back at it.
12 shows, 3 days, yeah, I'm gonna push it. Main stage of DEFCON fell into the bushes. Ninja Love pulled me out faster than it happened. Invaders must die, won't continually rapping.
On stage many years ago at Nerdapalooza, Schaefer said, come hype me up for America's only two. Yeah, he said, get in character before we do the bender. And a view of the ceiling from the floor's all I remember.
Arrived at the party for the crew from 801. But the people next door didn't want us having fun. Not to belabor, but instead addressed the haters. So we kicked a little freestyle and it went, fuck the neighbor. Make some noise if you wanna see a shit show. Yeah. Back to the fifth row. We open in San Luis Obispo and pass out on bar in San Francisco. Make some noise if you wanna see a shit show. Yeah. Back to the fifth row. We open in San Luis Obispo and pass out on bar in San Francisco.
Another year and now they couldn't get the dates right, but Beacon came through and got us down there so tight. We crowded a tiny room with like 150 and invented whisper core in room 360.
We had a show in Brooklyn with an unexpected plot twist. The staff member checking was aggressively standoffish. Michael broke a mic stand, ready to throw his right hand. Had to pee in a trash can to detour any fight.
I might have broke a couple bottles, but I didn't whoop his ass. And as far as I know, nobody lost any cash. We wound down to the diner, nobody threw a fist, and I didn't go to jail for wrecking a failed guitarist.
My first Brazil booking, yeah, I only made it cause the show coordinator seized the day and then she saved it. 2 years later, started dating here and now. 2 years after that, found ourselves exchanging vows. Make some noise if you wanna see a shit show. Yeah, back to the fifth row. We open in San Luis Obispo and pass out on bar in San Francisco. Make some noise if you wanna see a shit show. Back to the fifth row. We open in San Luis Obispo and pass out on bar in San Francisco.
Now scream, y'all!
Alright, this next song is called Hostage Down. I'll just say, just tell them now, they better hit the ground. All you hear is, hostage down! And y'all yell the hostage down part. Let's get a rematch. First down is born, hit with a deep flash. Hit from the young, given by real friends. Round skill legend with a night kill fetish. Hone these moves and watch a strong ball. Come play office with me, long haul. Hit the head out, go to the cock. My people says around to the scope on your top. Big guns, small arms, doesn't even matter yet. You're the type to jump, crouch, hide in the cabinet. Just tell them now, they better hit the ground. All you hear is hostage down. The office does as tactile mouse. My people on this side, hostage down. The terrorists get in the message now. My people over here, hostage down. Good man, we're the best in town. All we hear is hostage down. And 6 skills, only 4 5 shots with a name on shots like I'm from my gun. That's about 3 months back on these kids. So glance on the maps and start with GD. Kids wanna turn out even teams. Cause the first does really cheese the team. I say the one shot is on all night free. Time to play easy and fun like me. Just double down, they better hit the ground. All you hear is hostage down. The office does as tactile mouse. My people ready to set hostage down. Parents get in the message now. My people on the side set hostage down. Do it for man, we're the best in town. All we hear is hostage down. Back in the business with ill intentions. Gotta give out props for the busy section. Play on the forums to see if you heard or not. They messed up something. Work it on photo. Don't play Italy. It's too much crowd there. The T's came apart. It's like holy time. Yeah, bomb on Congo, dust and Devon. Spray pool day. Love customized. Big number 90 tonight for some single one.